Good morning, all. In last two lectures, myself Nimit Jain from Arya College of Engineering IT. In last two lecture, we have to study about factor analysis and how it is work. Now we study furthermore. This is conducting factor analysis. First, we have to do problem formulation, then considering a correlation matrix, then method of factor analysis, determine the number of factors, then rotation of factor, then interpretation of factors, then calculating the factor score and determine the model fit. Determine the methods of factor analysis. First is principal component analysis. In principal component analysis, the total variance of the data is considered. Use the determine the minimum number of factors that will be account for max variance is data. In common factor analysis, the factors are estimated based on only the common variance. Communities are inserted the diagonal of the correlation matrix. Use of the identify the underlying dimensions when the common variance are interested. Determine the number of factors. The prior determination use prior knowledge. Determine based on eigenvalues. Determination based on the Scree plots and determination based on percentage of variance. The rotation of factor is very important topic. This is if rotation is called orthogonal rotation if its axis mentioned in right angles. There is two process. Varimax process, axis maintain the right angles, most common method of rotation, and orthogonal method of rotation that minimize the number of variables with high loadings on a factors, and orthogonal rotation result of uncorrelated data. Oblique rotation, axis not mentioned at right angles, factors are correlated, and oblique rotation should be used in factors of population are likely to be strongly corrected. Interpreted factor, factors can be interpreted in terms of variable that loads high on it. Factors can be exploratory and confirmatory. Exploratory, the goal of to describe the summarize the data by explaining the large number of observed variable in terms of smaller number of latent variable. The factors are reason of the observed variable are correlation of them. Then confirmatory, the statistical estimation of the test are be used. Steps of EFA: collect the explore data, determine the number of factors, estimate the model using predefined number of factors, and rotate the interpret. Fifth, repeat step 3 and 4 and construct scale and use the further analysis. This is measure model given by from the factors. Example of 8 variables. Terminology used in EFA: lambda function is called factor points, f1 f2 called common factors, d equals to lambda f plus e, vf equals to phi, and v equals to usually diagonals f independent variable. The re parameters is summation a phi lambda t into n, and given by root matrix is given by this. Parameter is not identified. That shows the parameter of general measurement model is not identified without some restrictions of possible values. This is our example of factor analysis. Hartko problem is given by this. This is Hartko problems. One another example of toothpaste, how we use and what different parameters. This is your interpretability. Interpretation working factor represents separate group of good peoples. Criticism, main criticism of factor analysis: labels of factors can be arbitrary or lack scientific basis. Derived factor often very obvious. Too many steps could be effect result. Too complicated, and correlation matrix is often poor measure of associated input. It's our calculator factor score and determine the model fit. The correlation between the variable can be deduced from the estimated correlation between the variables and the factors. The difference between observed correlations and reproduced correlation is called residues. And this is our factor loading plots. So we complete our chapter. Thank you very much.